Well, howdy, neighbor. Or should I say, good morning, neighbor. It's probably, humming 30 a.m. in the morning. And welcome back to Hammer and Saw Customs right here on the Big Island of Hawaii. I'm old brother Bill, jack of all trades, master of none. Today, show's going to be a little different because I had some projects planned, but Mama, the little missus, came along and said, hey, I've got a super buy on some bulk groceries because the prices have just gone, crazy. So she said, and I need some pantry space and I need it now. So I got to building on some pantry space. Of course, I didn't film it because it wasn't really a hammer and saw customs type of deal, but it kind of was. But I did take some pictures just for my records, for sizes and things in case I wanted to do this project later on for the show. But it kind of got a little in-depth there into building it and kind of become like a mega pantry storage unit. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to share that with you guys with the photo collage I have. So it'll probably be a short show, but hey, at least I got it out, got it to you guys, and I got it to you on time. Probably going to be part one because I've got a whole lot more still to do to it, like building the doors, putting in the hinges, door handles. Maybe I'll get to filming some of that finish out, trim out stuff for you. But right now, just enjoy, but know that there's a part two coming, neighbor. So with that, come on inside, rest your hands and face, and enjoy the show. Don't forget to grab you a snack and a cold drink. Going to hold off on Brother Bill's drink of choice for right now because, it being 0:30 a.m., might be a little too early for that. Or maybe it should go in the coffee, Irish coffee. All right, folks, we'll set right there. Come on back after the intro and enjoy the show and the project that I got going on for you. Man, I wonder who came up with that saying, happy wife, happy life. Was it a wise man? Or was it propaganda from a wise woman to get that point across so the guy would understand? I don't know. Oh, hey neighbor, you're back. Like I said, today's show is going to be about making a mega pallet wood pantry. Now, this project is not going to take place here because it's actually up at the old Homestead. So I'm going to snag you. We're going to hike back up to the old Homestead and I'm going to just shoot you those pictures so you can enjoy it. As always, Brother Bill is going to have to pander to you. Please hit that hammer and saw emblem. It's that little tiny square down there. It's got the little hammer and saw emblem on it. You can hit that, subscribe to the channel. It's free. Hit the little bell that lets me know to let you know there's a new video out. Also, got some guys I like to watch down on my channel lineup down there. If you want to check those guys out when you're tired of looking at this mug. Also, Brother Bill's on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. So all my viewers out there, I appreciate every one of you, each and every one of you comments, likes and shares. I sure do appreciate that. Plus I like looking at some of you guys' projects and things that you guys are doing. Pretty cool stuff. So without further ado, let's enjoy the picture show, as they say there in Oh Brother Where Art Thou. And Brother Bill will see you back here for a closeout. right, neighbor. Well, I know that was quick. I hope you enjoyed the little share today. And let me know if you have any questions. This, like I said, this is going to be part 1 of part 2. So in closing, let's remember our veterans, past and present, as always. Remember our first responders out there. They got a tough job, whether it's sunshine or rain. So let's help them out and stay out of the way. As always, Brother Bill wants you to be inspired to build the projects you want. Not what Brother Bill is building, but find something that interests you, whether it be pallet wood, painting, whatever. Just get out there and enjoy yourself and time with others if you wish. Also, Brother Bill wants you always remember, if your neighbor can learn to do it, you can learn to do it too. And when you're building your projects, always be safe and hammer on safely, neighbor. Until next time, Brother Bill's gonna miss you, and I will see you soon. Aloha. I know it, Brother Bill's forgetful is all out, and I meant to throw this thank you and appreciation out there. Also, in accordance with all the other folks I like to thanks for their outstanding service. But hey, like it or not, it's moonshiner season, so don't forget to hug a moonshiner today, or this month, or next month. That's the next season, right? Right? So, if you know a moonshiner, see a moonshiner. Thank them for their hard work. Until next time, neighbor, aloha.